Right guys, good morning. This is where we are today. We are in Yorkshire Dales National Park, and we just arrived at Ribblehead. I'm sure you could have heard about Ribblehead and the Ionic bridge there. That's where we're going to. While I was on the train, the weather was promising. It was nice and sunny. Now the weather has changed. It's cold, and I left my hat in the car as well. So I have to brave the elements. Doesn't matter. We'll carry on exploring. There. So we've got about more than an hour to explore. Then we'll come back. Today I'm with my cousin. He's camera shy, so I won't feature him today. So this is a train station, Ribblehead. It cost £11 return from Skipton to Riddlehead, and the trains are like every hour. And you can leave your car, you can park your car at Morrison's or inside the Skipton train station if there's any spaces. If there isn't, then you can park at Morrison's, where the parking limit free. You can park free for 3 hours, but if you're gonna stay for more than 3 hours, excuse me, you can pay extra, I think, by an hour. So by where I am now, there's no reception at all. This is where we are, and we're just gonna go for a short walk there, then we'll come back to the train. I think there's a coffee place here where we can get a cup of tea. We've got a train here. Which way now? Which way out? Here, this gate. This gate. There's a helicopter again.
There? Another one again. Yeah.
No, it's the same one.
Yeah, they transported something.
Yeah, but you didn't drop it last time.
I think there was something inside.
No, but it fetched it, or it picked another one. I can't believe the weather just changed like that. So these are the train times. Right. Let's go which way? So do you go inside? Which way do those guys live?
Huh? Oh, you can go in there.
Yeah?
That's the waiting room.
Well, it says way out there. I think you push it, bro.
No, it says way out.
Yeah? Yeah, that's way out. Yeah. And this is the train station. There's a tea room in there. Right. There's a helicopter over there. Must be doing some construction or something. I think that's the way. I think. And those are the bikers over there. Are you? Yeah, it's cold. Hold this for me. Yeah, face it this way. That's fine. Can you introduce yourself? That's where we're going. Over there. And our train is at what time is it now? I think it's 22 past.
No, it's
10 to 11. Yeah, okay, our train is at 22 past 12. If you miss that one, we're in trouble. Because the next one will be in 2 hours. It's very remote. I'm sure the best day really is to come in summer, or you can drive here. You can park your car down there, then you can explore. There's a lot of places where you can go. There's I think the Three Peaks is here. Must be that one over there. It's one of your mountains that you can go up in on. Yeah, I'll find out the name in a minute, or I'll put it down in the description there. There's a place where you can eat here as well. It's a pub. Oh, you can stay here as well. If you want, you can book yourself a room at the bunkhouse. Let's cross the road. Cross here, or you get stuck here. Riddlehead. So we just walk down there. Yeah. No parking at this point. It's snowing or it's raining. Helicopter again. That's my cousin over there. His camera shy, and he's feeling cold. He's got his hood up. face is frozen. This has stopped raining for a bit.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go for a warm drink after.
Snowing now.
Yeah, it's snowing. We'll just go there, take a few photos, you know.
That's fine.
We'll go back, get something warm to drink. Is that a helicopter again?
Please do that helicopter.
My face is frozen. Didn't think it was gonna snow because while we're coming here the weather was lovely, but look at it now. But anyways, we're here, might as well brave the elements. And if you've not subscribed, please just press the subscribe button and press the notification bell, so that every time I load some new videos you get notified. See the things that I have to do for you guys. Well, look at it, it's changed. The sun is coming out and it stopped raining. That's weird. This bridge was built in I think 1870 and opened in 1875 because they couldn't cross this valley here, so they had to build this bridge so that the train passes through all the way to Carlisle. So from that train station you can get a train from here all the way to Leeds. But where we got the train from, we got the train from Skipton. This has stopped raining.
Yeah. What time is my train back?
No, we still have time. It's 22 past. Yeah, 22 past. Yeah, I've got an hour. 20
Plus what?
12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. No, not 11. No. 22 past 12. Do you know when it was built, bro? 1870.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, 1870 it was built.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how old it is.
Yeah.
I think we'll come back in summer when it's nice and hot, and we can probably go up there. That's a jet fighter there.
Oh, yeah.
but I don't know how far it is here. So because of the terrain, that's where the military come to do their maneuvers here. There'll probably be a few of them around.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you? Mr. Right, yeah, so I was right. From 1869, hundreds of people came to this remote place to work on the construction of this section of the Settle Carlisle Railway Line. Materials for building the major works like Ribblehead Viaduct and nearby Bleemore Tunnel. Yeah, I thought so. I thought there was a tunnel here. Yeah, I thought there was a tunnel. Because I think the line probably goes over there. I think there was one line that just finishes over there. And I think for you to go through to Carlisle, you have to go through a tunnel. Right. So that's when it was opened in 1875. Refurbished and rededicated by the Network Rail and the Friends of the Settle Carlisle Line in 2005. Yeah, so beware of falling. Sorry. Although now fully restored, the limestone used in the construction of the viaduct has a natural tendency to flake, so you have to be careful here. They might flake. Right, let me get my Insta 360. Then we can get 360 views of this bridge. Don't know, is there any access over there? No, it's too slippery, a bit too dangerous. Right. guys, the weather has been kind to us. It stopped raining, and it's a very beautiful day now. See that helicopter? They're still busy transporting some, so hopefully I can try and get some shots of it. Now we're heading back to the coffee place. It's not any breakfast at all. So we'll see what they serve there. Maybe we can have a cup of tea and some snacks because I'm starving. So definitely come back here again, but this time we'll go above the we'll go all the way to Carlisle. Yeah. Hello. Hi. We'll definitely go all the way to Carlisle, and we keep exploring up north, and hopefully all the way to Glasgow, Edinburgh, as long as you guys keep supporting me and watching my videos. Right guys, we'll walk back to the train station. I'll catch you when we get there. Alright guys, we're back on the main road now. Let's see if we can go the other side. We can book a station in bed and breakfast. See, we might try coming here and see what we can have. Cake and a cup of tea is £4.95. Right, we'll come back and try this one though. Yeah? Right, Snow Dome is okay. Let's see where we are now. Come back and look, some hikers have been leaving their shoes here. It's souvenirs. Somebody spilled their coffee. There's a helicopter over there, so it's not far. Is that private land?
Yeah.
See the quarry. It's private land, we can't go that far.
Wait, you can't go in then.
No, you can't. Yeah. Right, okay, we'll go back that way.
No.
Let me try and film the bridge from this side if I can see it. I can't see it from here. I think we'll go back that way, yeah? Yeah. So like I was saying, if you're planning on staying here the whole day, you'll have to look at the train times and take a snapshot of the train times, because once you get here there's absolutely no reception at all. Zero reception. I think the only way you can communicate with the outside world is through these telephone lines the old school way, or a satellite phone. But there's zero reception at all, nothing at all. So just checked, you can see there is no reception at all. So you'll have to take a snapshot of the train time so that you don't miss a train. So the trains, I think, are every nearly 2 hours. So you get off, do what you need to do, or if you're planning on, you can stay for 4 hours and come back and get your trains. Your train back to as far as Leeds, or you can drive here and park over there. Which one is easier for you? So when I got off the train, there were not a lot of people that got off the train, because I think most people is during the week and probably gets busy on the weekends. So if you're not working, the best time is to come during the week. Otherwise, during the weekend it's gonna be busy. Right, we're heading back to the train station because we bought stuff. So we'll see what that cafeteria has got to offer. So I'll catch you after we've had a bite or so. Right guys, we're at the train station. We still have time to wait for the train. We're hoping the cafeteria is open, but it's not. It's not open. So now we'll have to wait for the train. What's the time now? 20 minutes to 12, so we've got 42 minutes to wait for the train, and there's absolutely no reception at all. Zero. Oh, got something. Yeah, we've got something. It says 5G, but there's no. Don't even have one bar. So anyways guys, I hope you've enjoyed our tour of Riddlehead. Yeah, it was a bit cold, but anyways we managed to enjoy the tour and ignore the weather. It's still windy, as you can hear it. Passengers waiting at the moment because I think everybody came by a car. There's only one guy there waiting for the train, and this is the train station. So probably waiting for the same train because there's absolutely nothing to do here. If you get off the train station, there's a pub and the hotel there, or a small hotel, and that's it. Other than that, there's nothing. Right, let me just waste some time a bit. I'll go to that local waiting room down there, that one. Oh, we'll try to open it. It was look at these lanterns, they're old school. You can see there. Don't think they use electricity. think somebody in the olden days used to come up and just light them up. They must be using some gasoline or something. There's a helicopter. I think this is a quarry over here. They've got a few quarries here. Because if you look at it, this is full of granite rock. Stop, look, listen, beware of trains. We stopped and we looked. There's no train, so we can cross safely. Don't know whether you can see the helicopter propellers over there. It's lifting off again. Very expensive exercise. I wonder what is carrying that. Since we've been here for nearly an hour, and this every 5 minutes. Wow, this is a waiting room here. Oh, it's open. Somebody opened it. Nice. You got some leaflets here that give you information about all different places that you can go and visit. The next train that's coming here, that's going to Carlisle, is at 12:07. Yeah, it's got a nice waiting room here. It's got a heater. Does it work? Switch off after you switch it off. You don't want to use it because you're not waiting here. Off. Yeah. Alright, I think I'll close this. This one is better than the other one. Yeah. And the security got cameras anyway to keep everybody nice and safe. Right. I think this brings the end to our tour of Ribblehead. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and please, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please press the notification bell as well. And you can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Same username as the YouTube channel, which is PreachN123. So I'll catch you on the next videos, guys. Thank you for watching.